Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install a new vent. Say for example you want to add another register vent, heating vent to a room or something, and you have access to the vent, right? You just want to add it. It's easy because at this very moment I'm going to close that vent out. Alright, I'm going to close that and then just add it on this side instead. Okay? So, this is very, very easy. Got my little Milwaukee here, measuring tape. And you measure here to here, you got 5.5. And here to here, you have 9.5. So you got 9.5 over here, alright, which you can go all the way to 10, it doesn't matter, yeah, 9.5. Here, then you got your 5.5 here, you got your 5.5 here, and you got 9.5 here, alright. You don't measure from here to here, okay? Because this, you go put it right into it, okay? So simple. All you need to do, just cut it. If you don't have a tool, you can always use a scissors to cut it. Okay, when you put your drywall back in, alright, okay. What it look like. Okay. You heat them it. See? Plain and simple. How to install a vent. Install it sideways. Alright. If you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. Thank you.